Do you know how to turn one apple into many apples in English? Today we are learning how to make plural nouns the easy way with clear rules and fun examples. Stay till the end for a quick quiz to test yourself. What are plural nouns? A plural noun means you are talking about more than one person, place, animal, or thing. For example, one book, two books, one cat, three cats. Think of it this way: plural nouns are just the words we use when there's more than one of something. The basic rule: add s. For most nouns, making them plural is super easy. Just add s at the end. For example, book, books, car, cars, pen, pens. If a noun ends in s, x, z, ch, or sh, you can't just add s. You need to add es to make it plural. For example, bus, buses, box, boxes, watch, watches, dish, dishes. The extra e makes the word easier to say. Imagine trying to pronounce boxes without e. When a noun ends with a consonant y, you need to change the y to I and add es to make it plural. For example, baby, babies, city, cities, story, stories. Exception to this rule: if the noun ends with a vowel y, just add s. No spelling change needed. For example, toy, toys, key, keys. Vowels a, e, I, o, u make the y sound easier to keep, so no need to change it. Irregular plurals. Some nouns don't follow the normal plural rules. You can't just add s or es. These are called irregular plurals, and you simply have to memorize them. For example, man, men, woman, women, child, children, foot, feet, mouse, mice. Many of these change the vowel sound or the whole word in the plural form. Keep practicing until they feel natural. Nouns that don't change. Some nouns look exactly the same in both singular and plural form. The spelling doesn't change at all. For example, sheep, sheep, deer, deer, fish, fish. You can tell if it's singular or plural by looking at the context or the number before it. One fish, 10 fish. These charts sum up the main rules we have learned for making nouns plural. Add s, book, books. For most nouns, simply add s at the end. If the noun ends in s, x, z, ch, or sh, add es. For example, bus, buses. If it ends in consonant y, change y to I and add es. For example, baby, babies. Irregular noun don't follow normal rules. You just have to remember them. Child, children. Some words stay exactly the same in singular and plural form. For example, sheep, sheep. Most plural noun follow the s or es rule, but keep an eye out of irregular and unchanged forms. Practice will help you remember them all. Alright, time to test what you have learned. I'll give you the singular noun and you try to say the plural form before I reveal the answer. One fox ends in x, so we add es, foxes. One lady ends in a consonant y, so we change y to I and add es, ladies. One man, irregular plural, just remember it, men. One car, regular plural, just add s, cars. The more you say these out loud, the faster your brain will remember the rules. Practice makes perfect. So let's quickly recap. Plus S, book, books, plus ES, bus, buses, Y to I plus ES, baby, babies, irregular, man, men, same, sheep, sheep. Now you know the 5 main types to make plural nouns in English. If this lesson helped you, like this video to support the channel, subscribe for more quick and clear English tips, comment below and write 3 plural nouns of your own. I'll check them for you. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.